At $1,299, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra isn't just a smartphone, it's a statement. But is it a wise financial decision or just another shiny gadget designed to empty your wallet? In today's video, we'll dissect the S25 Ultra, features, competition, and whether it delivers value for its price tag. By the end, you'll know if this device is a smart investment or an overpriced luxury. Let's start with what makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra stand out. The 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED screen delivers 2,600 nits of brightness, vibrant colors, and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built for speed and efficiency. A 200-megapixel main camera, ultra-wide lens, and dual telephoto lenses deliver professional-grade photography. A 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging ensures all-day performance. The S Pen adds multitasking capabilities, making it perfect for productivity-focused users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra faces stiff competition. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers excellent performance and higher resale value, though its camera system is less advanced. The Google Pixel 9 Pro delivers exceptional camera quality and software at a much lower price. Even Samsung's own Galaxy S25 and S24 Ultra offer premium features at a more affordable cost. Flagship phones like the S25 Ultra depreciate by 50 to 60% in the first year. That means your $1,299 could be worth just $650 next year. If you use this phone for 3 years, it costs about $1.18 per day. It's worth it if you're a content creator or professional who'll fully utilize the features. For casual users, mid-range phones offer similar experiences at a fraction of the price. If you're undecided, here are a few tips. Mid-range phones like the Pixel 9 Pro or older flagships offer great value. Wait for price drops. Samsung phones typically see discounts within months. Trade in your old phone to reduce the cost. Use EMI plans to spread the cost without straining your budget. So, is the Galaxy S25 Ultra worth $1,299? If you need cutting-edge features for work or creativity, it's a solid choice. If not, it might be smarter to save your money. What's your take? Is the S25 Ultra a smart investment, or would you rather spend less? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more content on smart financial decisions, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. At the Profitarium, we help you stay ahead without falling behind financially.